Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just want to give you a brief update on the Amazon Prime sales and whether they're good bargains on shortwave radios. And what I did is a few minutes ago, I went and looked at some of the things I purchased, what I paid for them versus what they're selling for now. And in general, I can report that these sales are pretty good. They're about the same price as when I found it, looking over several months on sale. For instance, here is the Redicus TRRS 629. This is a great little radio. It's normally $49.99. It's on sale right now during Prime Days for $39.99. That was what I bought it for back in 2023, which prices typically were a little lower back then on everything. So this is a good deal. They had a good radio. Here's another one, the XH Data D219. I purchased it back in 2023. I think I bought it for $9.95, and it's back on sale for $9.95. Again, I watch these radios and try to catch them at their lowest price. So these are good prices, and they compare to what I paid. Let me do one more maybe. Here's a very popular one. The Redicus V115. It has gone up in price. $22.99. I think it was, back when I bought it, it was like $19.99. So it has gone up in price. Maybe due to the tariffs, I don't know. But anyway, it's on sale for $16.09. I think I paid a little less than that. I'm not positive what I paid for it. There's the XH Data D220, nice little radio, AM, FM, shortwave. This is a good deal, $9.35. That's about the best price I've ever seen. One more. I'm looking at this one right here myself. As far as functions, it's has basically the same bands and functions as mini radios, but $19.99, that's a pretty good price. One more that I purchased. Now this is one, no, that's not the one I have. I don't have the max decoder. Okay, now this I just purchased, this one I purchased back in 2013. Doesn't seem to be on sale. And I think I paid $9.95 for mine, so not on sale. Trying to find one more that I purchased. This one, I recently purchased this one. And it's a nice radio. I really like this radio. It looks like an old style tabletop radio. Many functions. It's normally $49.99. I think I got it for $39.99, and it's back on sale for $39.99. So I just wanted to quickly, I didn't know so much for quickly, I just wanted to go through and tell you that these sales are good sales. They're not cheaper than they've ever been, but they are as equivalent to the lowest price that they've ever been. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.